It's been so much fun decorating this year for Christmas. It's been just a pleasure sharing it with so many families. I love doing this, so I'm so glad you guys are getting to see it now as well. Thank you for being here. My name is Heather and welcome to my channel. Did you know the first garlands were brought to America from Europe? Live holly was often used when weaving garlands together, signifying the crown of thorns Jesus wore during the crucifixion. Who is Santa's favorite singer? It's Elvis Presley, of course. The growing popularity of an angel tree topper traces back to the Victorian era. In 1848, the Illustrated London News published the drawing Christmas Tree at Windsor Castle on its cover. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you are enjoying this video. In 1847, Hans Greiner began producing glass ornaments in the shape of fruits and nuts. Why did Scrooge keep a pet lamb? Because it would say, "Bah, humbug." What Christmas carol does the Peanuts gang sing at the end of A Charlie Brown Christmas? Hark, the Herald, angels sing. Why do Christmas trees have trouble sewing? Because they can't stop dropping their needles. Hey, welcome back. It's day 2. We have all this Christmas stuff to put away, and these ornaments need to be organized. I've got this brand new ornament holder from Marshall's on the after Christmas clearance, and so anything that doesn't have a box and is needing a home is going to find a way in here. So let's go at it and have some fun. The first artificial Christmas trees were developed in Germany. These trees were made using goose feathers that were dyed green. What Christmas-themed ballet premiered in St. Petersburg, Russia in 1892? It was none other than the Nutcracker. Do you hang a pickle ornament in your Christmas tree? It's an old German tradition that the pickle was the last ornament hung on the Christmas tree, and then the first child to find the pickle got an extra present. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you'll come back again.